Are these cheese crackers as Gouda as they look? You cheddar brie, leave it! Hello, my dears. Welcome back to another episode of Me Up Buttercup. Today, I have something a little different, and that is a savory recipe. We will be making cheese crackers. These delightful little snacks whip up in a flash with just a few simple ingredients. Just perfect when you have a craving for some crispy, cheesy goodness. Let's get started. Let's begin by preparing our cheese. It's important to use freshly grated cheese for this recipe. Pre-shredded cheese often has anti-caking agents added that will keep the cheese from incorporating as well into your crackers. Here I have measured out 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. The package says it was sharp cheddar, but it looks pretty soft to me. Using a cheese grater, we will carefully shred the block of cheese. Be careful not to get your paws in there. That would not feel nice. For our next step, I will be using a food processor. But if you don't have one, you can mix your ingredients in a large bowl using a pastry blender. Combine 1 cup of flour, the shredded cheese, oh no, I'm missing. Oh no, it's going everywhere. Oh no. Cheese disaster. Come back here, cheese. We need all of you. There we go. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is also a good time to add any spices. And here you can feel free to get creative. I will be adding 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yum, yum. Next, we're going to pulse these all together until they're nice and combined. Looks good to me. Next, we will add in 4 tablespoons of softened butter. And we'll pulse this until the mixture becomes crumbly. Perfection. And for our final addition, we will slowly add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice water while pulsing, just until the mixture starts to come together. You should be able to take the dough and press it between your fingers, and it'll hold its shape. Now, let's dump this mixture onto a clean surface. Oh. It smells so cheesy. Gently press the mixture together and form it into a small square. A rectangle will do as well. Now we will wrap this tightly in plastic wrap. This will need to chill for about 30 to 60 minutes in the refrigerator. Once the dough is chilled, place it onto a lightly floured surface. Roll the dough out until it is approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. If the dough cracks in any places, just gently press it back together. It helps to try and keep the dough in a rectangular shape if possible, but don't fret if it's not perfect. Next, we will need to cut the dough into 1 inch by 1 inch squares. For this step, I found it is easiest to use a pizza cutter. Set a course for delicious cheese crackers. Warp 9. Engage! After cutting, transfer each square to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Using a chopstick or the flat end of a bamboo skewer, poke a hole in the middle of each cracker. This helps keep the crackers from puffing up too much in the middle. These will need to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 18 minutes, or until the edges are lightly browned. Allow them to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling. Now, wasn't that an easy, cheesy recipe? And just look at these adorable little crackers. Each one is packed with flavor. Just fantastic for a quick and delicious snack. Just be careful not to eat them all in one sitting. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this quick and tasty recipe with me. Be sure to let me know if you would like to see more savory bakes in the future. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking fun. Until next time, mwah!